Howdy folks, TJ here. This is one big box and it's weekend where I'm gonna try to record a video. Cats are in the house, wife's in the other room listening to her rock and roll music, I call it. So a little bit different than my normal being home alone and being able to just kind of go for it. So I'm gonna be probably a little bit more toned down than normal. Plus I have bad allergy issues. Yesterday was really bad. Today it's been pretty bad too, so I'm a little bit down on the kind of dragon side, but I'm pretty excited about what's in this box, and I gotta open it up. Gotta for sure open it up. So we'll see if cats jump up on the table and get into stuff, but let's start opening it up. It's from the UK, so that might kind of give you a little bit of an idea of what I have in here. I mean, what have I been collecting this last year? So I did a little strategic cutting initially, but it looks like I've got more tape to cut. Oh, oy. He packed it really good. He kind of told me what he was going to do when he's packing it. I bought this on eBay, by the way. And I initially was not 100% sure I was going to get into one of these. But the further I explored it in the last year and a half getting into this Sinclair, I kind of knew eventually I needed to get one. And then since earlier, about a month or two ago, sold one of my prized Volkswagen buses. I said, you know what, since I sold something that was kind of dear to me so we could have extra money in the bank during this coronavirus issue, that I deserve this. Right. But I do, right? Probably cutting my head off here. Yeah, who cares? I'm ugly anyway. So so he said he was going to put some mattresses in from like his lawn chairs and stuff. Pretty well done. I'll have to go through this stuff later. I think it's just paper. Mattress. I guess I could put these outside. Maybe the cats would like to lay on them or something. That's totally funny. I'm loving it. Very well done. You know, there's some people that pack stuff like total rubbish. This so far is not one of those. It's got all sorts of packing around it. Oh. Now cats love boxes, so this is going to be a box for the cat. It's like a Rubik's Cube. Okay. Hello, cat. That's Zoe. She's the cat that kind of, my wife calls it imprinting. I'm actually allergic to cats, believe it or not. But she's kind of imprinted on me, so she's kind of always chummy with me. All right, throw that down there so maybe the cat can get in the box. So, looks like he packed it in another computer box. Yep, cat's in the box. So not only am I getting a neat thing in here, I also have some patio furniture cushions. Not a bad deal. Wife and I just came back from town. It was called fast food night. Decided to go bring our elderly dog. She's 14 and a half. Hard time getting around. She's pretty crippled up, but we take her to a fast food dinner because she likes French fries and a little bit of hamburger. So we take her with us on a trip in the town, which takes 25 minutes, and get burgers and stuff and fries, and she gets some of it and then come back home. Gives her a little something to get out of the house. Cushion! You know, I think I'm going to find some good use for those cushions. Floppies. That means it's a computer if there's floppies in there, right? So anyway, big computer box. Okay, so what do you guys think it is? Is it a Sinclair? Is it an Atari? Is it an Oric? Is it an Odyssey 2? Or one of those video packs that I get from overseas? Well, we know some of those don't take floppies. So, what did I get? Again, I wasn't quite sure I was going to do this, but I purchased a Sam Coupé. How cool is that? A boxed one? Cost me a pretty penny, but again, I sold a Volkswagen that I really thought I would never have to sell. I did it just to kind of cover our ass with this coronavirus thing having some extra money in the bank just in case the S hits the fan. So, Sam Coupé. So why did I need one of these? Well, it is kind of, some say, the next step up from where the Sinclair kind of left off, the Sinclair Spectrum. Kind of a souped up version, a super Spectrum if you want to call it that. And you can actually run some specky programs on this. I believe up to 48K programs. The 128K games, I guess there's an issue with those, but yeah, this was big time. Next logical step up. So I'm really surprised I pulled the trigger on getting one, but I thought it would be important for me to have one and enjoy it. So gonna take a breather, get some water. My eyes, I need to go blow my nose because my allergies. Then I'll turn the camera back on and do further unboxing of this. So far, so good. Yeah. All right, step 2. I turned on the air conditioner. My wife said that she was roasting in our home office. So you're gonna probably hear the fan in the background noise here, but who cares? I'm not like a professional videographer. Hey, I probably said that word properly. So, let's start off with the box. These floppies up here. So, Sam Coupé, Miles Gordon Technology. Front of the box. I always loved this little guy, the little Sam guy. I guess he's probably got a proper name. I need to figure that out. Does it say Home and Educational Computer? And of course, it'd be smart if I stand over on this side where the light's helping. Kind of put some of this stuff out. Smarten up. Okay. Now let's go to the back. So the back actually shows the back of the computer. Was it? Yeah, the front of the computer was there. So talks about all the different ports that are on here. Break button, MIDI network, joystick port, mouse port. Sweet. Reset button, expansion connector, cassette interface, on-off switch. Hey, an on-off switch. How about that? Light pen port, light gun port, stereo headphone socket, external power supply, and SCART. Nothing on the bottom. Side. Hey, they're just showing the actual everything around. That's the actual side of the computer. And I bet you, hey, the other side of the computer. How smart is that? And then the top here, carry handle, Sam Coupé. I always thought it was Sam Coupe, but I think it's properly Sam Coupé. Sometimes these are kind of hard to figure out how to properly remove. think we're done with this part, the box. Put this down here. I don't want the cats in that one. Alright. MGT, yep. The User's Guide by Mel Crutcher. I know he's from this. I've seen his name in the Spectrum videos I've watched. So a nice manual, which I'll get to sink my teeth in. Awesome, it's got little cartoons. I love cartoons in manuals. It's got a cassette. Utility flash demo flash utility. The User's Guide. Another little booklet. Flash plus Sam's demo. A multi-pack future ball. Looks like I got myself a game. On floppy, multiple floppies in here. Cool, I'll explore that a little bit later. Another floppy. Version 2.0 SamDOS. Audio cable. For cassette, I'm guessing. Alright. So this is going to be the power supply. Original blue bags. I'll be running it off a 220 volt. I have my 110 to 220 volt up converter. And here's the power supply unit, Sam Coupe, Sam Coupé. Kind of interesting, big brick. Made it pretty like the Sam Coupe, Sam Coupé. Alright, cool. Alright. So this looks like a multi-stage box. Nothing there. I think I'll put this back here. SCART cable. Now I did buy from Colin the proper SCART cable, 2017 version. Now I don't know if that's the same as this one that I've been sent. It may not be. This may be a generic one that I may or may not be able to use, but I did receive the SCART cable with it. Little booklet, Sam Software Awards. Trying to be careful here, I don't want to rip anything up. And like I've done in the past, I'm a little stingy. I kind of look first. So this has got a little bit of yellowing here, but as expected. Keys look nice. Floppy's supposed to work. I'll show you guys all a close-up here in a minute. But I'd say overall, you know, a little bit of yellowing, but you know, that's not that bad. And I can always put it out in the sun for a few minutes and see if that helps. All right, so let's show you the close-up now. It's gonna be a long video. There she is, MGT on top, Sam Coupé, floppy, nothing on this side. This side just got the neat little feet, but no ports. No ports on this side. And here's all the ports in the back. I'll just try to do it at a couple of angles here, and you guys probably don't care about too much about the exact stuff on the back, but oh, and then the bottom. It's got this little serial number thing screwed in there. Ready to go? Now it's test time. So, this video won't include the test. This is just going to be the unboxing part. But I now officially own a Sam Coupé. Hopefully she boots up and works good. I'll read the manual a little bit, get it connected up to my SCART to HDMI cable using the cable I received from Colin, see if it works. And we'll come back with another video later on. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing of a Sam Coupé. Thanks. See ya.